Hello, angels. Welcome back. Ooh, ooh. I told you I'm going to start a series called Being a Baddie on a Budget. Yeah. So let's consider this the first series. And the first part about being a baddie on a budget is to maintain our mental health. Okay, because we're a baddie and we got to be like mentally stable. Anyways, I am also going to get dressed to go run some errands, and that's what you're going to come along with me today for. This is the Get Dressed With Me segment, and then I'll have a conversation when I'm done dressed about how to maintain being a baddie. Anyways, let's go get dressed. So I wanted my look to give She Was a Fairy. I feel like this does that. We're going to just accessorize it now. That's how the back looks. This is a dress that I turned into a skirt. I just pulled it down and tied the stuff around my waist to give me like accentuated curve figure. You can see better this way. Okay. I've been like hung up on these two oranges not matching from close. But from a distance though, it's giving. Anyways, let's go accessorize. Listen, accessories on, including the fur. I put her outside today. She's going to be so much smaller, so I'm glad that you guys get to see her in her full existence. Look at the fro. She is giving. I actually want a picture of that. Okay, angels. So this is the final look, and I am feeling her. I love this. I think this is giving earthy black girl aesthetics. I'm glad that you guys get to see the full fro in its true existence, being big and glorious before it shrinks. Accessory color of choice today is gold. I put on some gold hoops and wood. I'm brown. So gold hoops, my brown choker, brown and gold in the jewelry, my gold watch, my brown shoe, and my essentials bag. Perfume scent of choice is from Bath and Body Works. It's called Lush Pink Dragon Fruit, and it kind of smells like what this looks like. Whatever you think I look like right now, that's what it smells like. Period, poo. Anyways, angels, thank you for watching. I hope we get through our series today. Anyways, love you.